it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And yes, we are coming all the way through with this icy blue platinum 613, giving you all this icy blue frozen Elsa let it go vibes all the way through. Just saying. So this particular wig is coming from a company called TruWig. That's right. Me and TruWig, we go back like 4 flats on a Cadillac. You know, like, we pretty much down for each other. Now, at one point, I'm not gonna lie to you, I couldn't wear their units, but they always came out with such beautiful, beautiful colors. And so today, I was at work and my sister decided, hey, I'm telling you, it's not what you thought it was. Try their wigs again. And today I tried it, fell in love, and I literally ended up took my wig off at work and came home in this. Do you not see? I feel like I'm giving full ombre denim vibes. Like anywho, this wig is from the True Company. It is in their style i218. And I have in the color, let's see if I can remember this correctly, 4TT 1B Aqua Blonde. I had to think, I paused because I had to think, I was like, what other colors in there? Blonde. This is a synthetic unit. You are able to put a little bit of heat to this. And yes, you are actually able to put a little bit of heat to this if you have a particular flat iron that's geared toward curling synthetic wigs and weaves. And I will do a video about those, you know, particular products of how to maintenance a synthetic wig. I will show you guys a video of what do I do to maintain those units, but I did curl this on the side to kind of give it a little extra, you know, little extra zhuzh, like how this one has. I think I curled it a little too much, like I'm 2 different people. But anywho, I feel like it'll eventually fall into looking like this. What else? This unit does have 2 combs in the front. The combs are actually where the parting space is. I know, you guys, we've discussed this before. You know how I am about these combs. If they're not by the ear tabs, I usually freak out. But this particular unit is so snug on my head. I'm not gonna lie to you. The combs being right there legitimately work. It works right there. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but it does. It actually works right there. And there's a comb in the back along with the adjustable straps. So far, so good. I'm going to say this. I have had this wig on probably for a couple hours. I went to work in Valentino by Shake and Go, but I ended the day in this one. And I will say this, I got a lot of compliments, which I'm surprised because it made me feel some certain type of way. Like, I've been wearing black hair this whole time, feeling bland. And apparently I just been bland because I put on color hair and everybody named mama's like, oh my God, that color is everything. It's like, now y'all see me? Y'all didn't see me when I had black hair? So now I feel some type of way like, let me find out I've been sabotaged all these years wearing black hair for other people. Just saying. Anywho, so yes, you guys would definitely be seeing more color because apparently color is definitely my friend again, and I'm here for it. The texture on this unit is actually impeccable. There's hardly any tangling. Of course, you're going to get those few little tangles if it's rubbing up against anything, but as far as like tangling where it's like I can't get a brush through it, it's none of that. It's definitely none of that right now. That's pretty much it. This is actually a positive video. Where can you purchase this unit? I got mine, like I said, I got mine at work, which is at Hey Beauty in Duncanville, Texas. Where I will leave the I'll leave all the information for Hey Beauty because most people don't know that they actually have their own YouTube channel and they have their own Instagram. So I will leave all of that below, including links, everything, so you guys can contact them and get more info about our beautiful units. So If this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.